Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm gonna give you an overview of this 4-pack. This is just one, obviously, but a 4-pack of solar-powered outdoor, kind of little mini floodlights, spotlights for landscaping, walkways, anything where you might want to adjust some lights. So the first thing to note is the size. This kind of gives you an idea size-wise. This base here is actually optional. So this piece right here, you push it in and lock it in. But if you wanted to hard mount this to a deck or somewhere, where you wanted to like physically bolt this, you did not want it in the ground, it does come with some anchor bolts, just like this, and it would just mount to this base right here. Fully adjustable, so if this was, you wanted to stick this in the ground and have it facing almost vertical, depending on, where the sun is gonna hit it, you can definitely do that. All the way down like this. You have some play there as far as how that's set up. And then it has a quick screw right here to kind of lock it in place. This is kind of a set it and forget it light. Let me just tell you, set it and forget it. So on the bottom here, it has 1, 2, and 3 as far as the brightness is concerned. Then you have this here where once you put it in place, you can fine tune where you want the light to go. So if you wanted it to face more, like if it was mounted in this situation, you wanted to make, force the light kind of downwards, illuminating a path, you could definitely do that. Or you can mount it, tilt it up and go almost, actually you can go about vertical like this. This is helpful. So you're not really locked into, where the light can go. You really have some play as far as the different angles and what exactly you're trying to illuminate, which is really nice and convenient. The bottom here does have these 3 settings. So you have, bright, bright, and brighter. I'm not really sure how long these things last because I'm not up from dusk till dawn, but I would say in excess of 6 hours on the brightest setting from when I have it out there, because I'm not up past that. So very long life. Now that also depends on where these are in the yard, so they're getting a full dose of the old sunlight. It will automatically turn off as kind of shown here. See how it's cutting off? Well, that's just because the light in the room is illuminating. There's a built-in photocell, and when it gets dark and the photocell is not being illuminated, then the light will actually turn on. So very, very cool how all that's set up. The material is made out of a hard plastic, as shown here. Very, very cool. There are 4 LED diodes, I believe is what they're called, that are in there. So you got to get that bright, so you get a pretty bright light. This is what they look like at night. Just kind of illuminating a kind of a sidewalk path. So these are in this position. So they're kind of pointed down, so you can't, unless you're up close on it, it kind of hides the light. So if I wanted to tilt it down a little bit more like this, very easy to do. So it's definitely more of a, see how you can adjust how it's illuminating, or if you wanted it to really illuminate the path itself, you could just with a turn of the light fixture kind of do that. So that kind of gives you how they come. This is a pack of 4, and then here, so this 1, 2, and then this one looks like the light is not throwing enough, so I can go over here, adjust this out a little bit. And so now the light, as far how far out, you can kind of just easily, so you don't have to like take it out of the ground and adjust. You just tilt that, which kind of gives it some easy customization, if you will. Pretty cool. Now, full disclosure, this company sent these to me. This is in a different position here, kind of like landscape lights, just to highlight shrubbery or whatnot. Here's a different position, just kind of highlighting some landscaping, bushes, trees, whatever, driveway, whatever it is. So just tons of uses. Or if you wanted to have it shine up on, let's just say, the house or a building or some kind of structure, because you can tilt it up, you have that option as well. Very, very cool having all those different options as far as your projection of the light. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little overview tutorial? Tell us what you think about our outdoor solar powered LED lights. Hopefully any and all your questions got answered. I will talk to you soon.